Hi folks, today I want to show you some attack number plate graphics here. So these things are pretty cool. They're a requirement if you're going to race. I got these things from Rocky Mountain ATV. You go on there, put in your bike, and there's all sorts of different combinations you get. So I'm going to kind of get closer to the ones here on my back fender here and get out of the picture there. So you can get these in endless kind of background colors, numbers, fonts, pinstripes, you name it. You look at mine, they're plain white with plain black letters. Unfortunately, that is a requirement in my district. I can't have any pinstriping or anything fancy on there, so that's why they look like it is. If I could get some blue ones or something, that'd really look cool, but again, this is a requirement. Very heavy duty. You can see on the top there, I got my Team 2 Gils logo. You can put that on there. There's just endless combinations of stuff. These graphics are really good quality. They're really thick. If you think of a notebook binder, that actually the outside cover, that's about how thick they are. They're really heavy duty. They're not like the stickers that came on there where they're that thin, clear looking stuff. These things here, you're going to be able to, drag your boots over or what have you, and they're going to stick on there. I don't think you're going to have a problem with them. They're not going to scrape off at all. So they're really good quality. When you order them, you come with a bunch. So my requirement for my district is I have to have them on the rear fender. So I got to have on both sides, and that's it. That's the only requirement. So they don't want them on the back. You could put one back there. They also don't want them on the front. You can put them up there as well. When I ordered these, they came with a whole bunch of different graphics. So they came with the two rear fender ones. I'll come over here on my trailer here. They also came with all of these things here. So these ones right here are supposed to be on the front. When I ordered them there, I went online and posted a question on there. I see they came with the front graphics. Do they fit on the Raptor? Because my Raptor fenders are small and they're all ridgy. And somebody posted on there, yeah, they fit, but I think they might have had a different one. When I went to put those on there, they just don't fit. You can see here, they got some Rocky Mountain ones there, some attack graphics, all that stuff comes with it. What I did also here is they had these little smaller stickers. I didn't really need them on there. I thought they looked cool. You could do what you want with them, but you can see here, you stay out of the light here, you got all these ridges, you got this thing in here, and so those graphics we're going to have to lay in this crack right here, over top of this hump, back down, and then they went over, and you can't even see, but it drops off on there. There's just no way to get graphics on there outside of something this big. So this may be what they decided to put on there. Maybe there's some different options. I had it up here. I thought it looked better where it was at, but you got some choices there. But these things are really nice. Really happy with them. Really easy to go on. I just got a little bit of brake cleaner there. I got some that doesn't leave any residue. Cleaned out the plastic really well. You got to have a heat gun. It helps there. It's really cold outside. I'm in Chicago, so you got to heat things up. Pulled off the old graphics on the front, or in the rear, excuse me. Washed it down really good, and then you just got to go slow. So I heated up the fenders a little bit, heated up the graphics, and you just go really slow. Start on one side and just work it, and then if you start to get to where it's looking like you might have a little ridge or something like that, get out the heat gun, and it goes real easy. And so they've got instructions there. In the box, they've got instructions online, shows you how to put on the stickers. I don't put on stickers worth a darn, and they came out really good. I'm really happy with them. I got almost no bubbles. They look good, pretty loud. I wish I could have some different colors or some pinstriping or something else, but this is what I got to get. This is what I have to have. So I like them. I think they look good. They're going to last long. Obviously, pretty darn visible there. So if you need some numbering for your bike to go racing, if you want some numbering on your bike just to look cool and run around with your friend, try the Attack graphics. Really good quality. Definitely recommend them. Very happy with them. And again, really easy to install. I do not install this stuff very well. I struggle with it, and didn't take me any time whatsoever. It just took me longer, I think, to find scissors and that kind of stuff than it did to actually put those on there. So Attack graphics. This is on a 2018 Raptor. They have them for all sorts of stuff. If you want them for the front number plates, they got them for there. They got them for rear number plates. Obviously, dirt bikes, just about anything you want to, they'll do it. You can do the numbers the way they are. You can do them sideways. just, I tell you, there's just endless combinations. They do a great job. You order them, they're there in about 2 days. So, TAC Graphics, this is for a 2018 Yamaha Raptor. Thanks.